Hello everyone, today I am going to teach you how we can implement Firebase push notification into React Native application, and we will also see how we can redirect into custom notification page when we will click on the notification. So let's start. So this is the React Native project which I have created from scratch. You will also have to create new project. So firstly I am going to implement React navigation. So just search React navigation and then click on get started option. Then you will have to install some packages, so just copy this first package and then paste into your project terminal and hit enter. Similarly I am going to copy this second command and going to install this command also, this package also. Okay, now I am going to navigate on this hello React navigation and then copy this command and paste here also and hit enter. So all the packages will be installed related to React navigation. Okay, and then I'm going to create src folder, and after that we will create two screen. So first screen would be home screen and the another screen would be notification screen. Okay, now I'm going to open app.js. So here I will implement React navigation concept. Okay, and just copy that view from app.js and paste here also, because I want to place this text over the center of the screen. Okay, so just copy this view and I'm going to paste inside this home screen and then change the page name as home screen. Similarly I am going to paste this view also here inside notification and then change the page name as notification page. Okay, and go here and then copy this import and then paste into app.js. Okay, so our next step is to copy this stack. So we will declare this stack first before this app, and then I am going to copy this navigation container stack navigator and then paste here instead of this view. Okay, and then I'm going to change the page name as home screen because this is the first screen, and just copy this and then paste here. So we will use this home screen as name. Okay, and here we will import notification screen and the name would be notification screen. Okay, similar name, you can take any name. So now I am going to implement one button here inside home screen. So when the user will click on that button, so we will navigate to the notification screen. This is only for demo purpose. So I have imported use navigation to navigate, and here I am taking touchable opacity. Okay, and now I'm going to cut this text and just place inside this touchable opacity, and in the touchable opacity we will use on press. Okay, so with the help of this we will navigate. So we will navigate into the notification screen. So just write navigation dot navigate and then pass the page name. Okay, so this is the screen name, so notification screen, copy this and just paste here. So here we want to navigate when we will click on this button. Okay, which is on the home screen. Now I am going to close all the terminal if any terminal is active, and now I am going to run this application. So just write npx react native run android. So after this we will implement Firebase. Okay, Firebase push notification. So we will create the account in Firebase and we will set up everything. Okay, so just open Visor, and now I'm going to show you this is the application, and when we will click on this home screen button, then it is navigating to notification screen. So this concept we have implemented here inside home screen. So okay, now just open this Android folder which is inside your project. So I'm going to open this Android folder. So this is the Android folder which is inside my project into Android Studio. Okay, so after syncing just open Android manifest file and then write one permission, that would be notification permission, and another permission would be notification policy permission. Okay, and here I am using clear traffic true. Okay, notification permission we need, because if you are using push notification on above Android 13, then you will have to enable accept permission of notification, otherwise notification won't work. Okay, so firstly I'm going to create Firebase account. Okay, so just write console firebase.google.com and then create project, and then enter your project name, enter any name. Okay, here, so I am using React Native push notification. uh, this is the project name which I am creating. So just click on this continue button to create this project. I am creating new Firebase project. Okay, so just click on continue and then select any project, or you can also create new project. So I am creating new project here, Google Analytics. Okay, and just write the name and then click on save button, and here you need to select the country. So I'm going to select India because I'm in India, and just click continue. Okay, accept that policy and click continue, and our project is creating now. Okay, just close that previous tab, and now I am going to search React Native Firebase, because we are going to implement Firebase push notification into React Native. Okay, so in the left section you will have to search cloud messaging and then click on usage option. Okay, cloud messaging usage option, and we will use this both packages like React Native Firebase app and React Native messaging. Okay, and here you can see our project is ready in Firebase. Okay, just click continue, then you will be redirected here, and then click on this Android option, and here we need to mention our package name, project package name. So just open build.gradle app build.gradle, and then uh, in the section of application ID you will get the package ID. Okay, so just paste here. So this is the package ID, and then click register. Okay, and then click on next, and we will have to add this plugin into our project. So just open build.gradle which is inside project. Okay, and then here I am going to use that. Okay, so just copy this and paste here, and after this we need to mention the version 4.4.2 and then remove this. Okay, and then just copy this GMS Google services, and inside app build.gradle just use here. Okay, so just copy this and paste here. Okay, now just copy this dependency and just go here inside dependency section and then paste here. Firebase bomb, and then I'm going to copy this again and then paste here. Okay, and then click on this sync now button, and then click on next and then continue. Okay, so here you can see we are getting error because here we are using dot, so just write colon, then try again, then the error will be solved. Okay, so here you can see, now just go to project setting and then click on this cloud messaging. Okay, and then and here in the Android Studio you can see build is successful. Okay, now no issues are there. Okay, so just I'm going to open this Gradle and then write signing report to generate SHA1 and SHA256 key. We will add this two key inside Firebase, so just copy this SHA1 key and then go here inside cloud messaging. No, sorry, just click on general and then here add fingerprint and then save your SHA1 fingerprint. Similarly, I am going to copy this SHA256 key and then just click on add fingerprint and then paste and then save. Okay, so both fingerprint we have added into our Firebase project. Then click on cloud messaging and here you can see we have no any server key. Okay, this is the new update from 20th June 2024. So without server key we will have to send the push notification, and if you will go to that link to enable the Firebase server key, then you will get this type of error. Okay, so we cannot generate server key. This is the new update. Okay, so just close. Okay, and open Android manifest file. Okay, close this and then okay, so just copy this, okay, this package, and write npm I and then paste here Firebase app, and similarly I'm going to copy this Firebase messaging package and then paste here. Okay, install both packages into our project. Okay, and after this, okay, so you can see both packages installed successfully. Now I am going to generate FCM token. Okay, Firebase messaging token, device token. So just I'm going to create one function, that is get token, and inside this just write const token equals to await, because we are using async. Okay, so and here just scroll down and then you will get one import. Okay, so just copy this import, messaging import. Okay, and then paste into your project. Just paste here, and with the help of this messaging we will get the device token, device FCM token. So just write get token. So with the help of this we will get the device FCM token. We are facing error on await, so I'm going to create this method again. So just write get FCM token and then async. Okay, and then cut this and then paste here and remove this function if you are facing any error. Okay, now error resolved, and now I'm going to write console.log and then print this token here. So just write my token and then we will use this token, and we will call this get token inside use effect, because we want this token when this component will load. So just call this get token, and then after this we will have to use blank here, array here, because we want to execute only once, okay, when the component load. And just close all the terminals, and now I'm going to run this application again, okay. So just write react npx react native run android to check whether we are getting token or not, okay. So now we are getting error. The error is that Google services JSON file which uh, we didn't added, okay. So we will have to add Google services JSON file inside Android folder and inside app folder, okay, inside app folder which is available inside Android folder. So just go inside general section and then click on this Google services JSON file, okay. Then here you can see here this file is downloaded, but the name is 1. So I'm going to delete this previous JSON file first, okay. Here delete option is not showing, so I'm going to use laptop delete button, okay. So now both files are deleted. Now I'm going to download this file again. So here you can see we have Google services JSON file. So just copy this and just open your project. So this is the project, and here just open Android and then go inside this app folder and then paste your Google services JSON file, okay. And now I'm going to run this application again. So here you can see our application is running, and in the terminal you can see we are getting my token, okay, FCM token. So with the help of this token we will send push notification from backend, okay, and we will get that notification into our device. Now our next step is to copy this use effect, okay, and then paste here. So in this we are using on messaging. If we are if we will get any type of notification, then here we will get that notification, okay. So we will destructure this remote message. So just and we will get the title body. So just write remote message dot notification. So with the help of this we will get the title and body which is sending from the backend, okay. If any notifications are there, then we will get inside on message method which we have implemented. And now I am going to use this notify package inside React Native to display our notification. When any notification will arrive, then we will show our notify, okay. So just write npm I and then install this notify package into our project. So you can see our package is installed successfully. Now here just import notify and then write comma, and inside curly braces we will use Android importance and then event type. So with the help of event type we can uh, we can access like user okay, user action like user dismiss that notification or user click that notification. So with the help of event type we can track. And in here after this title body we will have to create one notification method. So we will pass this title and body, okay, to display. Okay, basically we will use notify package here inside this display notification to show this title and body inside notify. Okay, and this will show as overlay, screen overlay. Okay, and here we are creating display notification, and then just pass title and body here, and then write await notify dot request permission. So we will have to firstly use request permission. Okay, and then write const channel id. Firstly we will create channel id. So just write await here, and then notify dot create channel, and inside this we will have to use id. So the id we are using default, and then after this we will use name of this channel. So I am using as default name, default channel. Okay, and after this we can use vibration. So vibration would be true, and then we can use importance. So which type of importance, like android importance dot high, you can use any type of importance here. Okay, and then we will use vibration type, vibration pattern. You can use any type of pattern. So I'm using 300 and 500. Okay, so we have successfully created channel id, and then now I'm going to. So now we will use await, and then write notify dot display notification, and inside this we will pass title, body, channel id and all. Okay, so just pass title, and the title would be which is coming from the notification. So just title, and then body. So the body will be body, because we are getting body. Okay, so here we will use android, and then inside this we will use this channel id which we have created, and then pass importance, and then importance would be android importance dot high. There are lots of property you can use inside android importance. Okay, I am using as high, and after this we will use press action. Okay, so inside press action we will use id, and the id would be default. Write semicolon here, and then okay, so our method is completed. So now I'm going to close this terminal. Okay, and now just run this application again. Okay, so just write npx react native run android to run the application, and then here so here you can see our application is running, and now I'm going to minimize my application, and then just go inside app section, app info section, and we will have to uh, enable the notification permission, because I am using Android 13 plus version. Okay, uh, if you are using Android 13 or above version, then you will have to allow the permission of notification. Okay, without this you won't get notification into your application. You will have to allow permission of notification into your application. Now just here I am going to console this title which is coming from the notification. So just I am writing message received and then pass this title. If we will get any type of notification from Firebase, then we will get we will print that notification inside. Okay, inside this function. Now I am going to create one notification. So just click on this run and then click on this messaging option and then click on this create your messaging and then select this first option. Okay, Firebase notification message, and then click continue and then write your title here which we will get as title, and then write notification text which we will get as body, and then click on this next, and then here just select your application. So this is the application, and then click on next, and this is the schedule time. So I'm using as now, and then click on next, and then click on review and then publish. So here you can see the campaign was successfully saved, and in the dashboard you can see one notification created, and in the application I am waiting for this notification. Okay, it takes too much time to get notification into our devices if you are sending from Firebase. Okay, so please wait. So I am going to terminate this terminal. Okay, and just run this application again. Okay, again our application is running, and here you can see we are getting this notification. Okay, which we have sent from the Firebase dashboard. Okay, so this is our notification. This is the title and this is the body. Now I'm going to remove this notification from our device. So just remove this, and again I'm going to send this notification. So just click on this three dot and then click on duplicate, and just change message here, title and body 1 1, and then click on next, then next, and then select as now, and then next, and then next, and then review and then publish. So the campaign was successfully saved, and in the dashboard you can see we have two notifications, and please wait. So we will get the notification into our application here. So now I am going to till now I am going to create one file. Okay, so the file name would be navigation service. Okay, because we'll navigate from index.js before the navigation. Okay, because we have implemented navigation, React navigation inside app.js, and we want to navigate from index.js when we will implement background notification handling. And here you can see we have received notification from Firebase successfully. Okay, so now I'm going to work on this navigation service. So just import common actions from React navigation native, and after this just write let navigator, and then we will write null, and then we will create 2 or 3 functions. So first functions will be set top navigator, set top level navigator, okay, and then we will pass the navigation ref here, and inside this we will use navigation navigator equals to navigator ref dot, okay, navigator ref we will use here, okay, and here we will create one more method, that is navigate, and inside this we will pass route name and params, okay, and then we will use navigator here, and then write navigate, and then pass our route name here, and then params also. So if you will navigate, then we will use this navigate, okay, from index.js. If we want to navigate on any pages, then we will use this navigate and this go back function. So just write navigator dot dispatch, and then write common actions dot go back, okay. So now I'm going to export these all methods which we have created, okay. So navigate, set top level navigator we will have to include inside navigator container, okay, navigation container, and with the help of this navigate we will navigate to any pages, and with the help of this go back we can go back, okay, we will use this, okay. And inside app.js, uh, here just write ref, and then we will use ref here, and then we will use here navigation service which we have created recently. So this is the navigation service, and we will use the first method which we have created. So the first method is set top level navigator, and then pass our ref, okay. So before this we can also use the navigation components of this React navigation if we include this, okay. So now I'm going to open this index.js file, okay, and then remove this unnecessary comment, and then here we will import notify. So just go inside home screen, copy this, and then paste here. And now I am going to take one variable, okay. So the variable would be notification displayed, okay, and true. We are using this because if you are getting multiple notifications at a time, then this variable will handle, okay. So now just create one more method, that is display notification, and just pass title and body. Here we will use notify to display the notification, okay, and then write try catch block. We will handle inside this try catch block, and then we will use await notify dot request permission, because we will have to request the permission first, okay. And after this I am using after this we will have to create channel ID, okay, and So here we will use await notify dot create channel. Okay, inside this we will use multiple things like uh, ID. So the ID would be a default ID, and then channel, sorry, name, and the name would be default channel. Okay, and after this name we can use vibration. So this will be true, and sound we can also use here. So we will use default sound, and we can use importance here. So the importance will be Android importance dot high. Okay, and after this I am going to use here vibration pattern. So I'm using 300 and 500. Now this is completed. Okay, so here we will use if app state. Firstly we will check. Okay, so we will use app state dot current state is not equals to active. Okay, if it is not active and not displayed, notification displayed, then we will execute notify dot display notification, and inside this we will have to pass title, which is coming from the title and from notification, and then body, and then channel ID. Okay, and inside this Android uh, we will have to pass channel ID, and then Android importance dot high, and then press action as default ID. Okay, we will use ID as default. So this is the method which we have successfully created to display the notification, and here we will set our notification display variable as true. Okay, and in the catch we will console this error simply. And now I'm going to implement for foreground and background. Okay, so now I am creating background handler. Okay, so just write const background message handler, and then write await here, then write async here. Okay, and we will use remote message, and inside this just check this remote message. If it is available, then we will use const title body. So we will extract this data title body from remote message dot notification. Okay, if we receive this remote message, okay, then we are destructuring this remote message dot notification. Okay, so from this we will get the title and body, and we will show this title body inside display notification. Okay, so inside display notification we have implemented notify. Okay, to display the notification, so just write console, and then here I'm going to show this title body. Okay, just print this title body here. Okay, so just write console.log. Now just call that function display notification and then pass the title and body. And then here we will use navigation service dot navigate and then pass the page name where you want to navigate. Okay, so just open app.js. So we want to navigate into notification screen if any notification received into background. Okay, so here we are checking if remote message, then we are navigating to notification screen and we are showing title body on display notification. Okay, so we will get the notification with the help of Notify. Here we need to import messaging from Firebase messaging. Okay, and then here we will have to include this background message handler inside this messaging. Okay, so just write messaging dot set background message handler and then pass your background message handler here. Okay, and after this we will write messaging dot set initial notification and then we will use then here. Okay, this will be the type of async and inside this we will get the remote message. So with the help of this remote message we can extract title body. Okay, so just write if we receive this remote message, then we will destructure this remote message. Okay, so we will get title body. Okay, so just write remote message dot notification and then we will call that method, that is display notification, and then pass your title body here to display the notification over the screen with the help of screen overlay Notify. Okay, and then we will navigate to the notification screen if we receive any notification on initial phase. Okay, now here after this we will use Notify dot on foreground. Okay, for foreground, so here we will create switch. Okay, so with the help of switch actions we will control all the notification and we will navigate. So just pass type and detail here on foreground event and then with the help of type we will get which type of notification. Okay, so the notification switch, and with the help of this type just write first case. So just write event type dot dismissed. Okay, so event type provide dismiss phrase this type of actions, and I'm going to console this event type. If the notification is dismissed, then this message will print like user dismissed notification. Okay, and then write display dot notification, so we will get the information of this notification here, and then write break, and I'm going to create one more case here, that would be event type dot action press. Okay, and then we will print user pressed notification, and then we will also display the notification detail. Okay, and we will execute after 1 second. You can write set timeout. um, you can remove set timeout, okay, but I'm using set timeout for better navigation. And just print the message like user press notification, and then show the notification detail. Okay, so this is the on foreground event we have successfully created also, and then copy this on foreground event and then paste for on background event. Okay, and the similar thing we are using here inside on background event. Okay, and just close all the terminals, and I'm going to run my application. So just write npx react native run android to run the application. So now we will get the notification on foreground as well as background, and if the application is open, then we will also get the notification with the help of on message method, which we have implemented into home page inside use effect. Okay, so here we are facing some error for navigation. Okay, so just open ref, and here this is the issue. So we are facing the issue on ref. I think this will be included inside navigation container, not in stack navigator. Okay, so we'll have to cut this ref, okay, and then paste inside navigation container. So firstly we'll have to remove this from stack navigator. Okay, and here I am going to use as alert. Okay, and again I am going to send push notification from Firebase. So just click on next, and then click on next, and then choose now, and then next, and then next, and then click on review, and then you'll have to click on publish button. So the campaign was successfully saved, and here you can see one more notification list added into the dashboard, and just wait for the notification. So just close the application because we are not receiving the notification. So I'm going to send notification again. So just click on next, next, and then select now, and then next, next, and then click on review, and then publish again. Okay, and then wait for the notification. So yeah, we have finally received the notification which we have okay, which we have sent from Firebase. Okay, and here I think I didn't change navigation. Okay, so just send push notification again. Okay, and then click on next, next, next. Sorry, just select now and then click next, next, and then review and then publish. Okay, again, and then wait for the notification. Now you can see we have received notification also, and now I'm going to click on this notification. Okay, this application is in minimize mode and the notification we received. Now I'm going to click on this, but the home screen is showing, but we will have to send into the notification screen. So navigation is not working. I think I forgot to cut that reference from stack navigator and place into the navigation container. Okay, so firstly write import here inside navigation service, and then import this navigation container ref. Okay, and here you can see we have received the notification also. Okay, which we sent from the Firebase, and because but that message is coming when the application is running. Okay, when the application is open, then we are receiving that message. Okay, so what is the issue? I am going to check why this is not navigating to the notification page. So here everything is okay. Just open app.js, one thing left, so just cut this ref and paste into navigation container, so then navigation will work. Okay, uh, I think this is the issue. So just cut this ref and then paste here. Okay, now I'm going to run this application again. Okay, so this was the issue, and just remove this terminal and run our application again. So here you can see our application is running now, and we are in home screen. Now I am going to send notification from Firebase, so just click on duplicate, and then I am going to click on next and then next, and then select now, next, next, review and publish, and just wait for the notification here. So the application is in running condition and our application is open now, so please wait for the notification here. it takes some time. And in the left section in the terminal, you will see the notification which we are getting from Firebase, and which we are also printing into our code. Okay, so here you can see we have received this notification on foreground. Okay, and okay, and in the left section you can also see the notification detail which we have sent from the Firebase. And again I'm going to send push notification. So just click on duplicate and then change the title and body here 0000, and then next, now, next, next, and then review and then publish. And now we will have to wait for the notification, and the application is in minimize mode. Okay, and so we will check in minimize mode whether the notification is coming or not. And if we will click on that notification, then we will navigating to notification screen or not. Okay, so now we are checking this. Yes, so the notification received. Now I'm going to click on this notification. Okay, so and here in the left section you can see the notification detail, and then click on this. So you can see this is the notification screen. We have successfully navigated to the notification screen. Okay, when we pressed the notification. Okay, now I'm going to close this, completely close this application, and going to check whether it is working or not in background. If the application is closed, completely closed, then okay, so just generate one more notification. So just change the title like 999, anything you can write here, and just click on this next, then next here also, and then choose now, and then click on next button, then next, and then review and then publish again, and wait for the notification and check whether it is working or not. Okay, so here you can see we have successfully received notification into background if the even the application is totally closed. Okay, so we have successfully implemented push notification, Firebase push notification into React Native application. Okay,